Hey guys, what's poppin'? So if you want to see how I get these curls volumized and kind of looking refreshed when it's not your wash day, or maybe it's a day you ain't got time for that. You know I'm all about how can we do things. Bang. Stick around. Got you step by step.
Boss babe, talk green or you lost me. My time is so costly. Don't mean to be bossy. I'm a boss.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I get this question all the time on Instagram is how do you style your hair? How do you curl it? Or what products are you using? Now I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. My hair is naturally extremely curly. So this is my natural hair. But I've come a long way because I did a journey of over 10 years of relaxing, perming my hair to have straight hair for over 10 years. And about three and a half, 4 years ago is when I started my curly hair journey, where it happened organically, that I just started letting my hair grow out. But I can tell you more about that story if you let me know in the comments if that's what you want to hear about. All right, so you're gonna see through this video that like it starts drying and it'll start like the chia pet, you remember that? That's like, and it'll grow. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. But here's the deal. So when I take a shower, it depends on the day. Sometimes you'll see me in a bun 1,000 times. That's probably because my hair is dirty. FYI, I just told you my secret. But typically what I do is when I'm taking a shower, I'll just wet my hair as fast as possible. My hair in the middle, like right here, is typically like the driest. So what I'll do is like I'll wet that part and then like I'll just scrunch it up everywhere else. I get out the shower, I typically do my makeup right away. But what I use is SheaMoisture products. Guys, this is my favorite. This is my current hair routine. I can show you my hair journey because my hair has not been like this. I come from a 10-year background of perming my hair. So not perming it curly, perming it straight. So I can definitely show you how I've been able to grow it. Let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see. But right now, all I use, I have it all here for you guys. I'm like, ooh, the light. I'm a huge fan of SheaMoisture. This video is not sponsored, but it will be one day because I'm going to speak it into existence. SheaMoisture, your girl, will do amazing reviews. So check this out. So for starters, I don't wash my hair with shampoo. Maybe like, and I don't need none of your comments. This is for curly hair girls, okay? I don't wash my hair with shampoo more than like once or twice a month, or whenever I feel like, ugh, I probably should. If I went to, for example, like the beach or the pool, I might. But I typically always wash my hair with just conditioners. Conditioner only. I recently found out that if it says co-wash, it means conditioner only wash. Bang. So that's really cool. But what I do is, there's a test from SheaMoisture. You could just Google it, high porosity test. I'll put the link down below. And I found out that I have high porosity hair. So what I did was I bought the high porosity whole entire line. I'm talking about the whole line. I ran out of the co-wash, which is the conditioner only wash, but love their entire line. What it has is that it's helping me, like my curls, water would just fall on it, but it wouldn't absorb. Like my hair's super dried out. I need to cut my ends, all these things. But I found that this brand actually helps me like kind of like grab the product, if that makes any sense. So here's the deal. This is a mask. This is a styling gel. It's not like the typical. Do you guys remember when we used to use LA looks? Oh my God, like I would do the cow lick. Just like that. Anywho. So high porosity, let me tell you the real deal. So here's how it started. I went and I bought the mask, this, and the co-wash. Started using the co-wash, and then I started using this, the mask, ooh, right there, every day for 5 minutes. And can we be real? Like, who's gonna stand in the shower for 5 minutes with just conditioner in your hair? So what I did was I called my boyfriend. I was like, babe, can you put a 5-minute timer? And he would. But if you don't have that benefit, here's what you could do. Right before you get into the shower, step out the shower real quick and put a 5-minute timer. Or just time it. Like once you feel it's long enough, start washing your body, shaving, whatever else you do in the shower. But I leave this on for at least 5 minutes. They do say like 20 minutes is probably better, but your girl ain't got patience for that, okay? So there's days that I do, like if I'm gonna work from home, which typically I do work from home, but like if I don't have to go out and do things, I probably will leave it on for about 20 minutes. But I leave this on for 5 minutes, then I wash. Then once I wash, then I get out the shower, I don't dry with a towel. No, girl, you're gonna mess up your curls. They get like, it's whack. So you get a microfiber. This I bought at Dollar Tree, girl, for $1. Okay, there's a bunch of fancy ones. This one's, the reason why I can't wear this, it's like one of those shower caps that goes like that, is because I got a big head and too much hair, okay? So I use this, be real with y'all, before this, I use a t-shirt. Grab a t-shirt and you just like scrunch. This is how you scrunch dry. Then, as soon as I'm done with that, oh, you see, look, you gotta do what you gotta do, you gotta do, you gotta do. Just lighting. So as soon as I'm done with that, I start using this baby right here. Curl Stretch Pudding. It's the red palm oil and cocoa butter curl stretch pudding. I freaking love it. But the thing is, as you can see, I love it. This one's almost empty. I have a huge collection. Like, let me show y'all. Boom, boom. Hold on. Bang. SheaMoisture. Bang. SheaMoisture. This is not sponsored. Bang. SheaMoisture. Bang. SheaMoisture. Almost nothing in there. Bam. SheaMoisture. This is what I started with. I could tell you guys a journey on this if you want to see it. But this is what I started with. Girl, this is for like the beginners. This is for like, oh my God, I'm starting my curly hair journey. Ha. Like, that's the only time you should use this, because it's not as good for like certain textures, and it doesn't really define your curls the way you want it to. So I stopped using this. Although the smell is great, I had to stop. All right, so let me not go all over the place with this. So where were we? Okay. Yeah. So I get out, I put this bad boy on, and I'll stretch. Also, let me know if you want to see an exact tutorial on how I do it. I'm just trying to show y'all the products I use. Don't mind my talking, okay? Maybe I'm going too far into details. But anywho, so I use this. I put it in my hair, especially back here. Like, that's where it's at for me. And then here's what I realized with that. When I would go out and like go out in the day, I live in Miami, so the humidity is like so real, let me tell you. So what I started using was Eco Gel. It is $2.99 at Target. Okay, so it is a bargain. So this one has, supposedly it doesn't, says no alcohol, but it looked like it got a little bit of alcohol. But here's what I'm gonna tell you. If you're gonna drive yourself crazy finding products that have no alcohol in your hair, your water's already typically bad for you. So if you don't find things to put in your hair, like, it's almost impossible to find something that's 100% alcohol free. And sometimes you're not gonna like the results. So for me, I'm like, you gotta choose your battles. We already breathe this pollution, so we'll be fine. Okay, so this one, bang, bang, bang. This one's called Eco Styling Gel, alcohol free. But if you read the ingredients, it looks like it says alcohol. Doesn't flake, adds body and shine. So that's what I needed. Like, my curls looked like they were curly, but like I would go outside and they would just like, poof, like a little fro, like a little, I look like a little lion. So what I do is I use this in my hair. I, you know, do my thing, and then when I come with this, I do the same with this one. I do the same thing, and I'll just stretch it out, and then I start with the curly, which is this, doing this, doing that, shaking it up, okay? Here's what I'm gonna tell you guys. If you have a diffuser, use it. It's amazing. The results I get with a diffuser is beautiful, but trying to protect the environment and just let it air dry. Here's what happened. I don't have a diffuser anymore, so I never had one. I just use a regular like blow dryer, but that thing was like ancient, so I had to throw it away. So I just let it air dry. I'm pretty sure your curls will look beautiful if you get a diffuser. I might just get a diffuser. Hopefully SheaMoisture sponsors this and they get me a diffuser. That'd be amazing, because I'd give amazing reviews. But anywho, let's get back on track. Yeah, so wash with this co-wash, then do your mask at least once a week. I try to do it every other day just because I really needed it. If I show you my hair before your flip, I really needed it. And then as soon as I get out, I dry with the microfiber towel. And then I go in with this bad boy. And then I go in with this. So I usually like the one that's the red top. And this is like an orangey, not orangey, yellowy color. I like it. It's like an olive oil mix. It's really good, because this one tends to flake up in my hair and leave like little white specks. I don't like that, even though it says no flake. So I use this one typically when I am doing like the sleek look, like when my hair is like probably already dirty and it's like I have to like bam do a ponytail. You can't even tell I have curls, and it's pretty cool because it's like real, it leaves it real like hard and flat. Anywho, that's why I don't like using it to curl my hair normally. The issue I had with this one, my boyfriend loves it because he has like a little curl furrow. It leaves it amazing. but it left my hair too hard. Like, it was like, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know if it's because of the amount of alcohol. I straight up don't know. High porosity moisture correct styling gel. I loved the shine it would leave my hair, like, oh my god. But I don't like that hard, like, tweezed look. I didn't like it. So that is it for my current hair routine. Like I said, it's just this, well, the co-wash, this product, and then this one, and then let the environment do its thing in your hair and dry it all up, and you'll see it grow. That's really it, guys. If you want to see the reviews on all the other ones, let me know, and I totally got you. Stay tuned. Next Thursday we drop another video, 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. See you guys next time. Let me know if you like this. Do you see how it's growing a little bit more? So at this point you can put it up. Like, I would do, like, I don't want to mess it up too much. I would do like an half up, half down. You can really do whatever you want. But yes, guys, so like, most importantly, subscribe, because that's the only way we're gonna grow together. And in the comments, leave me what else you want to see. See you guys next week.
Work for me at my own pace and time. I refuse to work on someone else's time and someone else's rules. It needs to all feel right so that my stars align.